Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Jat No 1. Today we'll be taking a detailed look at the Itel P55. This smartphone is making waves with its budget-friendly price and impressive features. So without further ado, let's dive into the full specifications and features of the Itel P55. Starting with the body, the Itel P55 has a sleek design with a thickness of just 8.0 millimeters. Despite its slim profile, the phone feels solid in hand, weighing 190 grams. The phone is available in 4 stunning colors: Aurora Blue, Brilliant Gold, Moonlit Black, and Starry Purple, catering to a variety of style preferences. Moving on to the display, the Itel P55 boasts a 6.6-inch IPS LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. One notable feature is the side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is both stylish and practical. Now let's talk about the battery. The Itel P55 is equipped with a massive 5000 mAh battery, and when it's time to recharge, the 18-watt wired charging support gets you back up and running quickly. For photography enthusiasts, the Itel P55 has some exciting features. On the back, there's a dual camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary sensor and 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. The camera delivers decent shots in good lighting conditions. On the front, the phone sports an 8 megapixel selfie camera, perfect for casual selfies and video calls. Under the hood, the Itel P55 runs on Android 13, powered by the Unisoc T606 chipset, built on a 12nm process. When it comes to memory, the phone comes in 3 configurations: 128GB with 4GB RAM, 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM. Additionally, there's a micro SDXC card slot for expandable storage. The Itel P55 supports dual nano SIM cards and provides standard connectivity features, including USB Type-C with OTG support, 3.5mm headphone jack, which is always a welcome feature. However, it does not have NFC. So that's everything you need to know about the Itel P55. With its stunning design, smooth display, powerful battery, and decent performance, it's definitely a strong contender in its price range. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Technical Jat No 1. Let me know your thoughts on the Itel P55 in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.